I'm going on my biggest adventure yet, snorkeling the Great Barrier Reef. Yeah. I'm really nervous because the last time I did snorkeling, I ended up in the hospital in Vietnam with a possible brain blood clot. So I'm a little concerned. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna face my fears and go back out into the water and go snorkeling. Hey, would you like to be my snorkel partner? Of course I get lost, but once I found the place, I was surprised how many people were there. Like an airport terminal. I got checked in, I have a number to memorize, got to go down to number 5 to get on the boat. And she said 160 people on the boat. I hope nobody gets lost. Okay, today is the day. I'm snorkeling the Great Barrier Reef, one of the 7 natural wonders of the world, the place where people see sharks, turtles, jellyfish, Nemo, entire schools of rainbow fish, and all of that. We had to wear stinger suits, and honestly, they're less about jellyfish and more about keeping you from getting roasted by the sun. Okay, it's time. I am ready. I am brave. I am adjusting the snorkel for the umpteenth time. Now we're talking fish. Real ones. Beautiful little ones nibbling the coral like they're an all-you-can-eat buffet. The coral was incredible. Big coral, little coral, coral that looks like brains, coral that looks like giant lettuce. I was basically swimming through an underwater salad bar. So no sharks, no turtles, no jellyfish. I didn't get chased, stung, or swallowed. I had the time of my life snorkeling the Great Barrier Reef. Afterward, we were treated to an incredible all-you-can-eat buffet on the ship. One thing I really appreciated about this boat was how carefully they looked after everyone. Apparently, they were calling out my number because they have to see each person one-to-one, face-to-face before they leave the reef. It's one of their safety procedures. Everybody has to be accounted for before they do leave, which I think is great. We don't want anybody left behind, including me. And that gave me such peace of mind. I also made new friends along the way. If you've ever been thinking about doing something you've been dreaming about, do it. Money comes and goes, but the memories you make will last forever. Keep doing the dream.